Hey, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? That's right, we got Ruike back on the channel with the P like Papa 865-B like Bravo. Now, before we get into the blade a lot, I like the fact that they give you some pretty cool stuff, inside the box. Just a little propaganda. What do we got? Sorry. Yeah, things for about your blade, but we're going to get into all that in just a moment. Your little warranty, and I guess you can say a catalog. So there we go. Alright, so I chose this guy for one seriously simple reason. Anybody who's watched my channel for a little bit knows I love gentlemen's blades, and this one really fit that bill. I mean, it's got that deep pocket carry, so it's not really going to be sticking out of your pocket a lot. It's going to look simplistic, simple, and it's really not going to scare a lot of the normal people who don't carry knives. But let's get into the stats on this guy like we usually do. It's got an overall length of about 8 inches. The blade is about 3.5. Closed, it's about 4.5, with a minor weight to it of 2.47 ounces. Now, it is done with the Wharncliffe style, or, reverse tanto, but it's really aggressive there, and I like it. With a plain edge and a flat grind. The blade steel is that Sandvik 14C28N like November. It does have a bead blast finish, stainless steel frame with a liner lock. Both sides have, the G10 scales, which are textured, and I really like how they did those. Seriously, I really like those. Now, it only has a single thumb stud open, but I'll be honest, I've had some issues at points just getting my big fat little ham hock in there, so I just usually pull the blade out. Now, there's only one way to carry it, which is right hand carry, tip up. And yes, as you saw in the box, it is made in China. Alright, now let's do some cut tests on this guy. Now, we're only going to do 3, and if you're curious why I'm doing these 3, take a look right up there. There's a card for why I'm doing those cut tests. As usual, we start with heavy-duty stock paper. Ooh, nice cut sounds. For all you ASMR fans. Alright, let's see if we can get a curlicue. That'll work. Now, the reason why I try to get those curlicues is anybody can just take that blade and go sharp, but if you drag it along on the same edge, same level, whatever you want to call it, and go really slow, that's what should happen. That paper should start to curl back in on itself. That way it's going to show you there's no pits, chips, micro abrasions, any of those problems on your blade. No real snowfall. Alright, moving on. Paracord. Pull test. Uh-oh. Yeah, I had to put a little bit more force into that than I wanted to, but it's okay. Slice, no problem. And our friend Mr. Ratchet Strap. Okay. Yeah, right through, no problem. Okay. Check the blade like we usually do. Really don't see any issues, any problems, so okay. Now, I did the homework on this guy on October 5th, 2021, and it's currently October 12th, 2021. I found it on Amazon, Rake, and Blade HQ. Now, granted, Rake is rakeknives.com. What killed me is I found it, but I couldn't find any price being listed there. So I'm sure somebody's going to be able to tell me on that website where there's an actual price. On Blade HQ, it's $34.95, and on Amazon, it's also $34.95, and it is Prime eligible. On Blade HQ, it's been reviewed 7 times for a 4 3/4 star out of 5-star rating. Hey. And on Amazon, it's been reviewed 53 times for a 4.4 out of 5-star rating. So they're pretty close all the way around. I like it. It's been fun carrying it. It's definitely a gentleman's blade that I love. But we're at the most important part of the video, aren't we? I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. Do you think this one is a nice or an F-bomb? A nice or an F-bomb? I like it. I'm a fan of it. Will it enter my usual everyday carry rotation? No, but at a classier event, yes. That way I don't feel like I'm going in without a blade. Sorry, I'd like to have a couple on me at all points. But I do have to ask this of you guys. If at any point during the video I made you laugh, made you cry, made you cringe, made you do anything, please hit that big old thumbs up. It's only going to help trigger the algorithm, and it's going to get us out there to newer people. It's going to let YouTube know, hey, people like this video. I mean, my channel's growing, but I can always use more help, right? I know I set myself up for a lot there, but still. Alrighty, now for you first-time viewers on my channel, I just want to say, hey, thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know you've got lots of options out there on YouTube, and I am eternally grateful that you chose this video. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time people who have long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question's why? Why don't you leave me a comment right down below what I can do to earn your subscription? You never know how your suggestion may change the course of history of this channel. After you've done all that fun stuff, seriously, take a look right down there in that corner. Seriously, all this is free. Don't worry about it. It's all free. It's not going to cost you anything but a couple seconds of your time. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up down there. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. See, one click, easy access. Now, after you've gone ahead and subscribed, please destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that's going to let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we come to YouTube for and we love so much, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to pull from my current catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys, my quick tabletop look at the Ruike P865-B like Bravo. I want to thank all of you for watching and hope all of you are having a safe day, a wonderful day, and I'll see all of you in our very next video.